folks, my name is Greg LaRossa. Welcome to MarineMax and Gulf Shores. This is the all-new Grady-White 326 Canyon. It has a 10.9 beam. It only drafts 24 inches, holds 327 gallons of fuel. It comes with twin 300s, which is max horsepower. The boat goes right at 50 miles an hour, fully loaded with fuel, gear, everything. You got a big transom fish box, a live well here, another live well here for different baits, tackle storage prep station, rocket launchers, hard top with power sure shade. This boat actually comes with Helm Master. It does have set point, so you can sit there and hit set point, walk back and fish with everybody else, and the boat will go in and out of gear by itself while you fish and catch all the fish with your buddies. It has 3 Helm chairs. It has a windshield that goes all the way up with a windshield wiper with fresh water. It has, you can see the gunnel on this thing is just huge. You will not get wet in this boat. It has a very large head. As you can see inside, you got teak and holly floor, a big head, storage here, tackle storage here, tackle box storage here, a place for your rods, mirror, lighting, everything, so you're good to go. Coming forward, you have the casting deck. You got dry, huge fish boxes that are insulated. You have the chase lounge seating for the women. You got a big here's double seat for your customers. You got a windlass that goes through. You got tow rails so you can work. You got tow pedals up here, or you can watch the do the windlass from the helm. Coming back around. Again, this boat is 50 miles an hour, 10.9 beam. It has a 21-degree dead rise. It goes all the way to 55. Come see me. Come see this special boat. This 326 Canyon at MarineMax Gulf Shores. Thank you.